And my parents are very young. They're like
Yeah.
as young
Don't you
as
dare.
almost as young.
How dare you? Yes, beta. Bolo.
So there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Learn English with Coffee with Karan. Today let's learn some fun and useful vocabulary from Kiara Advani and Vicky Kaushal's episode. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because your support means a lot. So without further ado, let's get started.
About Sam Manik show and went and saw some of his videos, and I love that you picked up some of his nuances and just blended it with your own expertise.
Nuances means small differences that are hard to notice. For example, she noticed the nuances in his tone. Nuances का मतलब होता है छोटी छोटी बातें जो आसानी से नहीं दिखती, जैसे कि उसने उसके बोलने के अंदाज की छोटी छोटी चीजें नोट करी.
Somehow I just get drawn towards these characters because I just feel there's a plethora of heroes and heroic stories in our own country, in our
Plethora means a large number of things. For example, she has a plethora of clothes. Plethora का मतलब होता है बहुत सारी चीजें, जैसे उसके पास कपड़ों की कोई कमी नहीं है.
giving hit after hit and almost being called like a lucky mascot for the mainstream. What
Lucky mascot means a person or thing believed to bring good luck. For example, she thinks her dog is her lucky mascot. Lucky mascot का मतलब होता है जो चीज या इंसान गुड लक लाए. जैसे इसे लगता है उसका डॉग उसका लकी मैस्कॉट है.
It's never just a fluke. It's never just like a stroke of luck. It's always a team in our case, of course, and many people's hard work. It's
Fluke means something good that happened by chance. For example, this win was just a fluke. फ्लूक का मतलब होता है बिना प्लान के अचानक कुछ अच्छा हो जाना, जैसे उसकी जीत बस एक चांस थी.
Vicky, you know who he was with. He was with your husband. He was with the Mister. He was
No,
with the
I'm with his
and we
missus.
made many insinuations about the wedding to come. And
Insinuations means indirect hints, usually to say something bad without saying it clearly. For example, she said some people lie a lot while looking at me. That was an insinuation. Insinuation का मतलब होता है घुमा फिरा के कुछ बुरा कहना या इशारा देना. जैसे उसने बोला कुछ लोग काफी झूठ बोलते हैं और मेरी तरफ देख रही थी. That was an insinuation.
holiday, with me and his family. I had a little bit of an inclination that he would propose.
oh, that's
because
not fun. Bye.
Inclination means a tendency or liking towards something. For example, he has an inclination towards music. Inclination का मतलब होता है किसी चीज के लिए झुकाव या पसंद होना, जैसे उसका झुकाव म्यूजिक की तरफ है.
Did you go down on your knees?
Yeah.
Oh,
They always
I get all
have
mushy
to
when
go
I
down on them.
Like I feel like all
Mushy means too emotional or soft. For example, that movie was too mushy. Mushy का मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल या रोमांटिक, जैसे वो मूवी काफी ज्यादा इमोशनल थी.
And you are a headstrong girl, Kiara, which I've known, and you married a headstrong guy.
Yeah.
So is it like a clash on a daily basis? Because
Headstrong means somebody who is very determined and doesn't listen to others. For example, she is too headstrong to change her mind. Headstrong का मतलब होता है जिद्दी और अपनी चलाने वाला, जैसे वो इतनी ज्यादा जिद्दी है कि उसका मन नहीं बदलने वाला.
he's a sulkpot also.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Yeah, he's a big sulker. He can sulk.
Sulkpot means someone who sulks and stays upset often. For example, don't be a sulkpot over small things. Sulkpot का मतलब होता है हमेशा मुंह फुलाने वाला इंसान, जैसे छोटी बातों पे मुंह मत फुलाओ.
Both very headstrong. So how are you circumventing this clash of two like massive headstrong people?
Circumventing means finding a clever or tricky way to avoid a rule or a problem. For example, he is good at circumventing office rules. सर्कमवेंटिंग का मतलब होता है चालाकी से किसी रूल या दिक्कत से बच निकलना। जैसे वो ऑफिस के रूल्स से बच निकलने में एक्सपर्ट है।
So now
And you, I know, have been a little bit of a princess of your maison.
I don't
Maison means French word used for house or fashion brand. For example, we visited a beautiful maison in Paris. Maison French में house या fashion brand के लिए यूज होता है। जैसे हमने पेरिस में एक ब्यूटीफुल घर देखा, मेजॉन देखा।
और पंजाबियों की बारात, I don't need to tell you, no. It started with vigor, then it went more vigor, then the vigor started reducing, then everybody was tired. The heat.
Vigor means energy and strength. For example, she danced with full vigor. Vigor का मतलब होता है ताकत या जोश, जैसे उसने पूरे जोश के साथ डांस किया।
If you have a cringy nickname for your partner.
I don't have a cringy nickname, but I have
It's
a
not to
cute
me.
one.
It's not.
Cringy means something awkward or embarrassing. For example, that joke was so cringy. Cringy का मतलब होता है बहुत शर्मिंदा कर देने वाली या अजीब चीज, जैसे वो जोक बहुत अजीब था।
Have thought about snooping into my partner's phone.
Snooping, forget I look like this only.
Yeah, same.
Who is this?
Snooping means looking into others' matters secretly. For example, stop snooping in my phone. Snooping का मतलब होता है चुपके से दूसरों के काम में झांकना, जैसे मेरे फोन में झांकना बंद करो।
I suddenly decided that I must become an art connoisseur for no reason.
Yeah.
Connoisseur means a person who knows a lot and appreciates fine things. For example, he is a connoisseur of fine wines. Connoisseur का मतलब होता है किसी चीज का एक्सपर्ट जो उसकी वैल्यू समझता है, जैसे वो वाइन का एक्सपर्ट है।
I missed my
Opera,
alarm,
opera.
and they were screeching on the top of the hat. जो भी opera के बहुत बड़े fan है, I have no.
Screeching means a loud, harsh noise. For example, the car stopped with a screeching sound. Screeching का मतलब होता है बहुत तीखी और जोर से आने वाली आवाज, जैसे गाड़ी बहुत तीखी आवाज के साथ रुकी।
It was very sad because I think I was called out. Like I was cancelled for being fraudulent. I really.
Called out means to confront someone or point out a mistake. For example, he was called out for lying. Called out का मतलब होता है किसी की गलती को सामने लाना या टोकना, जैसे उसे झूठ बोलने पर टोका गया।
Rapid
I
fire.
tell you, I won the last one. I'm very skeptical of this one.
Well, you have tough competition
rapid.
sitting on.
Skeptical means doubtful or not easily convinced. For example, he was skeptical about the plan. Skeptical का मतलब होता है जिसे आसानी से विश्वास ना हो, जैसे उसको प्लान पे डाउट था।
I can chat about like anything and everything with her on set. There's no like breaking the ice or anything. It's just very chill between us. And
Breaking the ice means starting a conversation in a friendly way. For example, a joke always helps in breaking the ice. Breaking the ice का मतलब होता है पहली बातचीत फ्रेंडली तरीके से करना, जैसे मजाक हमेशा बातचीत शुरू करने में मदद करता है।
she has Kiara said they're like, yeah, since like 10 minutes. I'm like, oh shit. So she's like really like on the ball.
Or
On the ball means very active and quick to react. For example, she's always on the ball at work. On the ball का मतलब होता है बहुत तेज और एक्टिव, जैसे वो काम में हमेशा एक्टिव रहती है।
Shah Rukh sir is probably the most chivalrous man that I know, and he would
Chivalrous means polite, helpful, especially by men to women. For example, he's so chivalrous that he always opens the door. Chivalrous का मतलब होता है बहुत ही सभ्यता और रिस्पेक्ट के साथ पेश आना, जैसे वो इतना सभ्य है कि हमेशा दरवाजा खोलता है।
amazing. Not only are you blessed to be such beautiful actors on celluloid, but
Celluloid means anything related to films or movies. For example, he dreams of a life on celluloid. Celluloid का मतलब होता है फिल्मी दुनिया से रिलेटेड, जैसे उसका सपना है फिल्म वर्ल्ड में आने का.
And now looking back in retrospect, I really was. But now
Retrospect means looking back at something that happened in past. For example, in retrospect, I should have studied harder. Retrospect का मतलब होता है पीछे मुड़ के देखना या पास्ट को याद करना. जैसे अब सोचता हूँ तो लगता है मुझे और पढ़ लेना चाहिए था.